Builder.io is a platform designed to help businesses and entrepreneurs create and ship apps or websites faster without needing deep technical knowledge. Unlike many no-code tools that stick to simple drag and drop, Builder.io combines AI with modular development, allowing users to generate pages or entire apps that feel customized while still being faster and more cost-effective than traditional coding. The standout feature is its AI-powered workflow. With its publish option, you can generate and publish pages directly with AI, while the Fusion mode, currently in beta, allows teams to scale code at any level. This combination makes it useful for both smaller projects and larger organizations aiming to move quickly. What also sets Builder.io apart is that it's designed not just for prototyping, but for production-level use. Teams can optimize content, integrate with existing workflows, and keep scaling without hitting the usual limits of traditional no-code platforms. Now let's look at pricing. Builder.io offers a free plan at $0 per user per month, great for individuals and small teams testing out smaller projects. The Pro plan costs $39 per user per month, offering more advanced capabilities and better suited for larger teams shipping more content. Finally, for bigger organizations, the Enterprise plan comes with custom pricing, which includes scalability, enterprise integrations, and dedicated support. Overall, Builder.io positions itself as an AI-accelerated no-code solution, not just for quick builds, but for continuous scaling and optimization. For teams that want both AI-powered page generation and enterprise-level flexibility, it's a strong option to consider.